We're going to have a challenging one today, but don't worry, I'll give you some modifications along the way. Ready? Let's go.
Let's begin in a child's pose. Take up space and make yourself comfortable so that you can close your eyes and feel your breath as it moves in and out, releasing everything that no longer serves you so that you can begin this practice new. When you're ready, meet me in tabletop and take any movement that serves you. Free flow into whatever feels good for you today. When you're ready, make your way to downward facing dog and continue your free movement. From here, lower your knees down to the mat as if you were going to tabletop, but stop so your knees hover right above your mat. Pull your belly in and feel your core engage. For a high plank, straighten out your legs. Keep your neck in line with your spine. Everything is firm and pressing away from gravity. Big inhale. Exhale and slowly lower as a plank all the way down to your belly. For low cobra, peel your chest up, let your hands hover, gazes out front, big inhale. Exhale to release, plant your hands into the mat, curl your toes under, and press up into a plank. You can always do this on your knees as a modification. Then send it back to downward facing dog. Big inhale. Exhale to lower your knees into your hovering tabletop. Inhale, high plank, pull forward. Exhale, slow lower all the way down to your belly. Low cobra as you inhale. Lower and plant your hands as you exhale. Inhale as you press up into your high plank. Exhale, send it back to down dog. Hold for one big breath in. As you breathe out, knees hover. Inhale to your plank. Exhale to lower. Next is low cobra. Exhale to lower. Inhale, press up plank. Send it back to down dog. And find your breath while you rest in down dog or child's pose. Turn up the volume on your Ujjayi breath, your ocean breath. In and out through your nose, with a slight constriction in the back of your throat. Then from here, make your way to child's pose. And notice how you feel. Like the phoenix, rising from the ashes, you are born anew. From the fire in me to the fire in you. Namaste.
Wow. I don't know about you, but I felt that one. And tomorrow, I've got plans for us to twist out any soreness in my 21-day yoga challenge. completely free, and I'd love for you to join me. Just click the link in the description down below or scan this QR code. See you tomorrow.